Today we are going to see about light.
The light which is coming from the sun, there are 7 types of waves. Named as radio waves, microwaves, infrared rays, visible rays, ultraviolet rays, X-rays and the gamma rays. Master, can we see all the rays?
No, we can see only the visible rays. The visible rays have the wavelength of 400 nanometer to 700 nanometer. That ray can only seen through our naked eyes. Our eyes have the sensitivity of seeing the visible lights only. Here we have 7 different colors in visible lights, that is nothing but VGR. We have color vision as well as night vision. Color vision is known as cones and night vision is known as chords.
How we are seeing an object, Master? What is the principle behind that?
The principle behind we are seeing an object is called as refraction. When a light source hits an object, it reflected back to our eyes, thus we are seeing that object.
According to this diagram, PO is the incident ray and OQ is the reflected ray. Angle I is equal to angle R and the normal which is drawn exactly splits the 2 rays. Is that correct, Master?
Yes, you are absolutely right. And you have to remember the incident ray, normal and the reflected rays lies in the same plane. Angle I is equal to angle R. This is nothing but law of reflection.
Master, I have a doubt. Why the rear view mirror is looking something different to the normal mirror?
Yes, we have different types of mirrors. Let's see few of them. The first one is the plane mirror. You can see that the man raises his right hand but it shows as left hand. This is the property of the plane mirror that is called as lateral inversion. The second diagram is nothing but it's a use of a concave mirror. The concave mirrors are used by the dentist to see the teeth. In concave mirrors, the property of the mirror is nothing but it shows the image as inverted so that the dentist can easily see the image. The third one is the rear view of any vehicle. In this diagram, we can see that the vehicles which are approaching is something enlarged and it's much closer to the mirror. So we have different application for different mirrors. Today, Reena going to take a seminar about human eye. Reena, are you ready?
Eye is one of the most wonderful and perfect optical instruments. The dark-colored part of the eye is called iris. The iris has a small opening called pupil. The size of this opening is adjusted by the ciliary muscles to control the amount of light entering the eyes. Behind the pupil, eye has a converging lens called eye lens. The eye lens focuses the image of an object on the retina. The cornea and aqueous humor have some refractive index. Rays of light entering the eye suffer first refraction in this region. The crystalline lens of refractive index produces second refraction. The vitreous humor of refractive index 1.337 produces the third refraction. After these refractions, light rays fall on retina, forming a real and inverted image. The sensation produced on the eye is communicated to the brain by optic nerve. The brain interprets this inverted image as erect. Persistence of vision. The time for which impression or sensation of an object by our eye stays in the eye is called persistence of vision. It is about 1/16th of a second.
Thank you, Reena, for the wonderful seminar.
Thank you, Master, for giving this wonderful opportunity to take class on eyes.
Now we are going to see about the Brainless system. Let's see about the Brainless system. This is the method is widely used by visually challenged people to read and write. It was devised in 1821 by Louis Braille, a blind Frenchman. Visually challenged people feel the dots to identify the character written in Brainless system. Let's see some of the examples of these dotted system of writing. Now you can see some of the examples of the Brainless system. This is how the blind people read and write by using the Brainless script. Now we completed the chapter Light. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts. By Sanjeev. Thank you for listening this class.